Honorable Supreme Court of India, through its Constitution Bench, today has delivered this historic verdict, which, in sum and substance, reaffirms the integrity, sovereignty, and unity of the Indian Union. It has further held that once there is accession of Jammu and Kashmir into the Union of India, question of retaining any sovereign powers with the Jammu and Kashmir does not arise. The integration is full and complete, and that Parliament has the power to thereafter deal with the matters, holding that 370 was only a transitional temporary provision. I think this judgment is a historical judgment. It should set at rest all the controversies and all individual ideological opinions which were being canvassed by different sections. Undoubtedly, everyone has a right to have or hold his own ideology. Everyone has a further right to have his or her own opinion in the matter. But once the apex court has spoken and delivered a judgment, that too through its Constitution Bench, considering all aspects of the matter, I think this whole controversy should set at rest, and everyone must respect the judgment, accept the judgment, and follow the judgment in its letter and spirit. The further direction of the apex court to restore the statehood of Jammu and Kashmir and to hold the elections by directing the Election Commission of India to complete the election process by September 2024 is also a great achievement, because in every federating unit of our federation called the Union of India, there has to be a democratically elected government. It can't be a centrally administered area. So I think it's in a way a landmark judgment of the Constitution Bench, and we are very happy that this whole issue has finally been resolved.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.